If you want to remove an object from a photo on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of course we need to go to the gallery and we're gonna open a photo that we wish to edit. Tap on this pen icon at the bottom, switch to these 4 circles on the right side of the bottom on the screen, and then choose Object Eraser. Wait a couple of seconds, we will be suggested to remove something, but of course we can deselect it by pressing this arrow in order to undo. So let's go back. Now we can choose Erase Shadows, for example, in order to immediately remove shadows, at least the AI will do that for us, or we can erase reflections if they are detected. However, you can also start drawing the area that you wish to get rid of. So let's say we're gonna select this whole car over here, we have the highlight, and then we can press Erase. And there we go. Shadows are still there, so we can try to select them, and let's see if we can get rid of them. Somewhat did. So we somewhat got rid of them. Of course, you can keep trying, you can keep selecting in order to try to fix that until it is actually gone. Once you are done, simply press done over here at the bottom, and now we can save our photo or press these 3 dots in order to make a copy. So save it as the copy, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!